Hi guys, once again we're going to turn around and just go through a few of the things there when you're setting up one of the Elgra 89 series. Doesn't matter whether it's a standard machine or it's our high lift machine. So you've purchased your machine, you've taken it off the pallet, you've stood it up vertically. So the first thing you're going to turn around and do, you're going to make sure that your quick release couplings on the back of your tractor, they match, and then you'll turn around and you will clip them in, make sure that they're locked in securely. Once you've done that, you can hook up your 2-point linkage pins at the bottom, ensuring that your linch pins are locked onto either side of your 2-point linkage. Then, once you've done that part there, because you've got your quick release couplings hooked up, you've got your 2-point linkage ones here hooked up, your third arm one, which is your top link, yes, it's going to be sucked in because we don't transport them with the hydraulic ram out. You've got a safety chain here that goes back to where a section of the third arm is, and that there is only a safety device in case something happened with the third arm ram, whether the pin wasn't put in there correctly or the linch pin come off. So if the machine went backwards, the chain is going to turn around and save a life. So once we've done that, we can start the tractor, activate the hydraulics. We can come back here, we can look at our controls here where we've got the hammer, the auger feed, auger swing, top link, side tilt. So we're going to turn around and extend the top link cylinder. Out it goes. We turn around and we put the top link pin in, we put the linch pin in, we ensure that we put it here so that we can see that it's in, it's locked in properly, it's not loose, so it's not going to come off. Once we've done that, we can then go through the controls, as in, we'll do the side tilt. Now, because these machines are all tested at Elgra prior to dispatch, all your cylinders are already filled with oil, so you're not going to have an airlock in there. So if there was no oil in the cylinder, as soon as you would touch the side tilt one, you would run the risk of the machine falling that way or falling this way because there's no oil in it. But because they've all been pre-tested, they've been bled out of all the air in the system. But to safeguard it again, you will move the machine away from you first, then you'll bring it towards yourself. Your top link one, you'll bring it away from your tractor, then towards your tractor. You can raise the power cell up so that the base of the anvil comes above the auger motor. The reason I say that is because if you don't bring the base of the anvil above the auger motor and you try and swing the auger around, well, naturally, this is going to hit this part here, and we don't want that to happen. Once that's done, you can swing it around, you can take it back into the stow position. You've got the auger ram here that will extend the auger down to the ground, retract it. You can rotate the motor several times. You've got your pins in the bottom of your legs here. Ensure that they're locked in. At the back of the machine, these parts here where the moil is there, that gets greased approximately every 30 hours of use or as required. Now all of that does, up inside in the bushes here, it keeps any grime out of the machine. If it was in a jackhammer situation, as in on an excavator, it would be different because this part is down in the elements, but because we've got it in this application, we're not going to get as much dirt and grime up inside it there. You've got two bearings here. Them ones there, they're going to be greased about every 3 or 4 months of use. That's about it. You do not, and I say do not, apply any lubricant to the main rail system because the wear blocks that we have in these machines, they're a hard wearing nylon. They don't require greasing, they don't require any oil. You lubricate them, they're going to collect the dirt and the grime, and we don't want that. Okay guys, look, if you have any other further questions, please ring us at Elgra.